Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by, why am I clapping? I don't Today's video is sponsored by Wig Types, which has been a longtime partner on this channel, and I super appreciate the collaboration. And so yeah, thank you so much, Wig Types, for sending over this new unit. Let's go ahead and jump right in. You guys, before we get started, I do want to highlight the subscriber of the day. Here's the subscriber of the day. Clap it up for the subscriber. Alright, and if you guys want to be the subscriber of the day, all you have to do is leave a comment below and I will definitely pick one of you guys as the new subscriber. Alright, you guys, so this is the unit that we're going to try out today. This is What Lace Hairline Illusion Lace Wig. This one is the style LYSHA or LYSHA, and it's in Bayalage Hazelnut. I ended up getting that color because I felt like that would be a nice fall color, and I love the Bayalage you know, style that Outre does. They do it, the Bayalage style that Sensationnel does. They do a really great job with that, and the What Lace collection is always really nice. So this one is a 13x6 natural density hairline. It's HD lace, and yeah, it looks like it's a nice curly unit that you'll have a lot of options for parting. So this is the unit. Very pretty waves. Very beautiful color. This is a curly girl, and I definitely love how the curls are looking. Let's take a look at the hairline. This hairline already looks amazing. It does have some baby hairs on the front to help with blending, and the density definitely looks really natural. Even the lace is not too bad. It is light and it is a little gray, but you can definitely work with that. Let's turn it inside out and look at the cap construction. You have your comb in the back, your adjustable straps. You don't have an elastic band in this one, but you do have 2 small combs by the ear tab and 1 small comb at the top. Ton of parting space, you guys. That looks really good. So let's go ahead and just tint the lace. Today I'm going to use the Ebon Lace Tint Spray in dark brown. So just give it a good shake and then spray it all along the hairline. If you're going to be doing a lot of parting, you can spray it in here as well. But it does take up a lot of your spray, so if you're trying to conserve spray and you know you're not going to part the hair, then you don't have to do the whole entire inside of the cap. I don't know if I want to wear it as a middle part yet or a side part, so I'm going to just spray everywhere. So here are the results once you turn the cap back around. And since I did do a lot of spraying, it is a little wet. I'm going to just grab my blow dryer. Alright, so now that that's dry, I'm going to grab my cutting shears. When I cut the lace off, it's always so hard to show on camera, but when I cut the lace off, I try to just, it's going to be really difficult for me to show on camera, but I try to just kind of go in and out. I try not to cut it just a straight line so that it can kind of disguise and just create an illusion. So my hair is in a weird braid pattern. Oh, these are also my GLEEmade baby hair, GLEEmade bonnets. If you guys do want to grab one of my silk satin bonnets, you can definitely grab them on my website or on Amazon. They are available there as well. Definitely check these out. I'll leave a link down below. Like I was saying before, my braid pattern is a little crazy because I just took out some crochets. So don't mind my braid pattern. It's not to make the wig look better. It's no rhyme or reason to it. Honestly, it's probably gonna make the wig look a little crazy. Alright, so now that I got my cap on, I'm going to stop talking. I'll do a voiceover for the rest of the video, but make sure you stay tuned because I will show you guys the end reveal and give you my thoughts at the end. So as you can see, this hair is really, really beautiful on. I wouldn't suggest doing too much combing or finger combing or anything, because this wig will get frizzy and it will tangle, as any curly wig will. So I would definitely say keep that to a minimum. I definitely do like how the parting space worked out. The lace is still a little light, so you can definitely add some darker foundation to blend that more. But I absolutely think this hair is really, really pretty. The color is really nice, and I definitely like this unit. So I'll leave links down below if you want to grab this one for yourself. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share this video with a friend. Share with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.